Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be breaking down Netflix's pricing plans that will help you to decide which one is best fit for you. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description for the latest Netflix subscription details. Now, if we talk about the Netflix's current plans and pricing, so you can see that Netflix currently offers different plans based on the features, streaming quality, and number of devices. So the first we have is the standard plan that will come with ads. So it is most affordable, and you are going to uh, get the lower cost with ads included, 1080p HD quality, and you will be able to watch it in two devices at once, so there is no downloads for offline viewing. If we go to the standard plan, so it will cost you $17.99 per month, and here you will get one extra device. And with the premium plan, you will have to pay $24.99 per month, and you will be able to add up to two extra members. So here, if you want the cheapest option and if you don't mind ads, you can go with the standard with ads. But if you want ad free streaming with good quality, you need to go with standard. And if you love 4K content and if you want to share it with your family, the premium option is best for you. So Netflix offers flexible plans for different needs and budgets. So whether you are looking for a low cost plan or premium streaming experience, there is an option for you. So again, if you want to check it out, you can just use the link in the description for the latest pricing and offers. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.